Hey guys, so I got a new problem for you. We have this triple square root minus square root of x as x goes to infinity. So this is an indeterminate form of infinity minus infinity. So you cannot just use the L'Hopital's rule or something like that. You have to use what's called conjugate expression. So you have the expression, and you think of this as like a minus b, and then here you have a plus b over a plus b. So then when you do the difference of squares, the square root is squared, so you get x plus this inside minus this one squared. So you get x minus x, and then you get something simpler. So this one is infinity, and this one is 2 times infinity because you have two objects that go to infinity. So you can see that the ratio is going to be square root of x over square root of x because x is so much bigger than square root of x at infinity, and the same is true here. One way you can show that is to just factor out an x, and then you see that there's terms with like decreasing powers of negative powers of x. So you get this part doesn't contribute and this part doesn't contribute. So the limit is half because the numerator and denominator grow as square root of x, and you can cancel it. So you get 1/2. So I got a challenge problem for you. Find the limit as x goes to infinity of the continued radical with all the terms up to infinity minus square root of x. You should be able to do this problem in a similar way. So I hope you learned something and can do some tricky problems. Hit like and subscribe. I'm trying to start off my channel, so I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.